Before processing each payroll run, you will first need to retrieve the latest revenue payroll notifications, or RPNs, for your employees from Revenue, in order to ensure the most up-to-date tax credits and cut-off points are applied to their pay. This in turn will update the revenue details section of each applicable employee record accordingly. For each pay period, you will be given a prompt to import the latest RPNs before you begin processing your payroll. Simply click Process icon number 2 to commence this task. The software will automatically connect to Revenue systems and retrieve all available RPNs, which will then be displayed on screen. Should you wish to print the RPN details displayed, click Print RPN Details at the bottom of the screen. When ready to update your employees' revenue details, click Update. The next screen will then confirm which employees have been updated with new revenue information. Where there are no changes to apply to any employees, a confirmation will appear to confirm that no new credits or cut-off points were found for existing employees. Once you've checked for new updated RPNs for each employee, you can commence processing your periodic payroll.